Petals, Loc Petals. For this video, I'm redoing a style that I did in 2013 called Loc Petals. For this video, I'll be retwisting using oil and water and then following a method described by I Locs It Down to do the Loc Petals. So if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. If it's not the first time, welcome back. Don't forget that if you like any part of this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Talk to you soon, toodles!
I didn't come up with this on my own. I actually got inspiration from you guys. This lady's name on Instagram is I Locs It Down. So I did some digging to find out how to do the loc petals and kind of modified it a little bit to work for me.
I'm going to be going through the process of retwisting and doing loc petals. At this point in the video, my hair is already freshly washed and is slightly damp. And I tried out a new method I actually conditioned today and I really liked it, so I'm going to post a video about what I did. But I just wanted to show you all the before. So here's my 4C here after 8 weeks of not really retwisting. I'll be retwisting and styling with oil and water. And in order to hold the loc petals in place, I'm going to be twisting the roots, braiding the roots together, and then using these rubber bands that I got at the dollar store in order to hold the petals in place. It's been about an hour and a half. I'm in the final stretch, and here's what I've got going on so far. I haven't actually taken a look at my face, so you all are getting a preview before I've even seen it. But I'm on my absolute last loc petal. Yep, of course I did. I found them. On my basically last loc petal. For the last hour and a half, I've been just watching videos from my favorite YouTubers. I've watched a few videos from Essence of Shay. I went back and watched some videos from Cheska Locs. R.I.P. to Cheska's locks that she just, you know, shaved it all off the other day. Not bitter or anything, but she definitely was a huge inspiration for this set of locks for me. So it was a little sad to see it go, but she looks bomb with her hair the way that it is now. I also watched a video from the originator of the loc petals, I Locs It Down, and so I'm using the same method that she used. She would take 3 sets of locks at a time, which is my favorite because that's how I retwist anyway, so I was like, I'll just retwist 3 at a time. Braid the roots together 3 at a time like I always do. Then I'm going to fold around the length of my hand and then use a rubber band at that point for this cluster. And I'm not making these rubber bands too tight. Just wrapping it around at least twice. And then I'll take this last little bit that's left and I'll make the second loop and then put a rubber band at the base of the second cluster. And there you have it. I have no idea what this looks like, so I'm going to go to the bathroom, check it out, and maybe pin some in place. I was thinking about adding maybe a flat twist or 2 to one of these sides, but we'll see. Alright.
Loc petals, loc petals. My hair looks so brown. Wow, why didn't y'all tell me my hair was brown like this? No one was gonna tell me? Ooh, natural light is popping. Let me find out. So far I am liking the way that my Loc Petals came out. The camera is not focusing very well, which is truly unfortunate. Maybe I can give you like an aerial up close tour of the Loc Petals. I clearly enjoyed this method of styling and retwisting. I think it came out really nicely. My retwist is holding up well with the oil and water. And so thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. And I'll see you all on here next time. Bye!